Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic why is Google Maps so slow. Google Maps have become one of the essential need of humans. When we are lost, we want to find some spaces like petrol pumps, ATM, malls, shops, public washroom, etc. Then we use this app. This app is very easy and convenient to use. We just have to enter the location of the destination and it gives the possible ways and routes to travel to that location. As the app is very convenient, it also faces many difficulties and may show errors. For instance, there are large number of objects on the screen. Reasons why Google Map may work slowly. If your cache is overloaded, then it may use the maps to run slow. It may be possible that storage in our device is completely filled up. It will cause for the system to run, and ultimately Google Maps will also run slow. Sometimes software failure occur which may cause the apps to stop. If the app is not of the most updated version, it may cause an error in functioning properly and ultimately the speed of app will go down. Solutions. The problem of overloaded cache. For Android, you can hold down the icon of Google Map. Options will appear. Select the app info, then cache option. Select clear cache option. A possibility that the phone storage is completely filled up. For Android and iOS, we can just uninstall the app which is not required to free up the space, and if we want all the apps, we can go to the gallery which has tons of photos and videos and can save them on different devices. This can boost up the speed of the functioning of Google Map. When software failure occurs. At the time when there is lot of load on the software, it may cause the software not to function properly. This causes can be various, such as lot of pressure on the RAM and more than one command is given and software could not process it properly. This may lead to temporary freezing of the app and software could not process it properly. If the latest version of Google is not installed, for that visit to the Google Play Store, select My Apps and Notifications, find the Google Map app, simply click on update if not yet updated. Next is to-dos when the Google Map is running slow in PC. First and foremost, the user may be restarting the device. In most cases, the method will work efficiently and the speed will boost up to the average speed. Sometimes the map requirements are not met by the system. Therefore, there may be need to update the policy. After the upgradation, the Google Map will work properly and efficiently. If there is a problem, we may ensure that latest version DirectX is installed on the computer. It helps to increase the speed of maps. It can be downloaded online on official sites such as Microsoft Support. Next is another way to speed up the usage of Google Maps on the desktop. There are some requirements of the maps that may not be filled by the present system used by the user. Even if the map opens and does the work, it may be possible that the speed of the map is not enough for the job to be done. In this scenario, it may not be of the fault of some bugs and due to system failure or maybe due to some storage problem. It is merely that user system requirements are not met. The user required the map are the things whose requirements are just unpredictable and may be required by anyone at any time. The user simply use the light mode by going to another link than the regular link. Last but not the least, conclusion. The use of maps has been a part of day-to-day life and we all are equipped with that fact. It is evident that there will be problems with the product that we require daily. Either it requires turning through an update or some replacement. The need for navigation will always be needed. The maps are getting precise day by day. In this world of need, we may lag behind if we do not have the proper knowledge of fixing things on the map. We have tried to cover the most recent scenarios where there may be problem with the speed of Google Maps. We tried to discuss all the issues and have provided solution in that regard. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.